I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be guiding you on how to delete Coffee Meets Bagel account. For that, first of all, open up your Coffee Meets Bagel app on your phone. After you open up your app, be sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the profile icon, which is on top left. After you tap on your profile icon, tap on the 3-bar menu icon, which is on top right. There you can see settings option. Go to settings. There under logout you'll see the option of delete account. Tap on it. A pop-up message will appear on your screen informing you that if you delete your account, all of your information including matches, messages and photos will be erased permanently. If you're sure you want to delete your account, tap on delete my account. Select why you want to delete your account. After that, tap on done, which is on top right of your screen. This way you can delete your Coffee Meets Bagel account. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.